If you want to mirror or flip a video screen in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to flip a clip so you can create a mirrored look, fix footage, or get the exact visual style you want. This is a simple edit, but it can make a big difference in your final video, especially if you want a cleaner presentation or a creative effect. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your project in CapCut and go to your timeline. Find the clip that you want to flip or mirror. Now click on that video clip once to select it. When it's selected properly, you'll see it highlighted or outlined, which tells you CapCut knows exactly which clip you want to edit. This step is important because any changes you make next will only apply to the selected clip. Once your clip is highlighted, look at the toolbar above the timeline. Here you should see the mirror icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Click that icon one time and CapCut will instantly mirror the video screen. You should see the clip flip immediately, giving you the mirrored effect without needing to do any advanced editing. If you prefer using the right-click menu, there's another easy way to do it. Just right-click the video clip in your timeline, move to edit, and then choose mirror from the options. This is useful if you like working through menus instead of toolbar buttons. Either method does the same thing, so you can use whichever feels faster and more comfortable for you. After mirroring the clip, take a moment to preview it and make sure it looks the way you want. Sometimes flipping a video can change the direction of movement or the way text appears, so it's always smart to double check the result before exporting. If everything looks good, you're done. That's how you mirror or flip a video screen in CapCut in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.